Can I ask you some question?
Yes.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house because my house is located in the village.
Okay. What is your favorite room in your house?
Actually, my favorite room is my bedroom
Okay.
because it has lots of beauty. Um, it has lots of decoration.
Okay.
That's why I love my bedroom.
Would you like to change anything to your room or home?
No, I don't like change anything because my house has everything is available.
Okay. What kind of decorations do you have in your home?
Um, my house has a lots of decoration like that sofa, fridge, LED, etc. Everything is available.
Okay. Then do you prefer in a big city or a small city?
Actually, I prefer a small city because it has no traffic jam. It has no sound pollution. It has natural flow. That's why I like small city.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being with me.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Allah.